I love you. I care for you. Do you know that? When I look straight into your eyes, I can see the flowers of your eyes. Baby, everything you need, I will buy it for you. Don't mind this place you are staying in.
You buy me jewelries.
Hi, I will buy you jewelries, gold, diamond, everything you need, eh? Diamond, silver, and gold. Diamond. I will buy you thread. Baby, I will buy you thread. You know why? I will ask you. Many are so dead. See this house, eh? It's my own. If you belong to me, eh? That's my house, boy.
Moi! Moi!
Today.
Is that why you don't want to open the door for me?
No, Papa, you know, I was fast asleep.
Who was talking with you inside here?
Maybe it's me. You know, when I sleep, I talk. Like this afternoon, I dreamt we are our street. We are playing a match with the other street. I was the commentator.
One day you'll become a referee.
Thank you, Papa.
I've come to take something.
Yes, Papa. No, Papa, do you know that a big snake came into this house today?
Where?
Hey, a big snake. Hey.
Where is it? Have you killed it?
No, Papa. I tried, but it entered inside this butter. I tried, you know, I decided to rest. Then later I look for it.
You allow snake inside here. Let's carry it outside. Let's carry it outside.
Okay, Papa. Let's carry it outside. Close it well. Close it well. Papa, close it so that the snake will not run away. But this snake will do it.
Be here, be here.
Okay.
Don't allow you to escape.
Go. What do you see it?
Take a muhizi yo Ibu Mwenu ya wayo
Mr. Ibu
Una go kill somebody
Ibu
Stop causing confusion
Mr. Ibu
Hey, one day
Papa,
Una go land inside trouble.
Papa, I want to play football.
Mr. Ibu
Football. Oh, this child.
Papa, It's like not a new one.
How does it concern you?
Papa, I'm hungry. I've not eaten since morning.
Now you go there to go ask them to give you something to eat. Give me my trouser. Give me. What is it?
Papa, what do you want to do? You can't wear it like this, and I can't see it. Wash and wear. You must wash it before you wear it. People will laugh at you. Wash and wear.
Mr. Ibu.
Ibu and him picking yo.
Ibu.
Like a father, like his son.
Mr. Ibu.
Ibu and him war.
Ibu. Ibu.
They are very funny yo.
Mr. Ibu.
Ibu and him picking yo.
Ibu.
Like a papa, like a picking.
Mr. Ibu.
Ibu na waya o.
Ibu. Ibu.
You go laugh no be small.
Wash and wear. Yes. It's okay now.
That's what I said.
No, you can wear it. Papa?
There's a lot of water.
There's no problem. That's the style. Wash and wear. This is Italian pants. Wash and wear. Papa, where are you going?
Our town's meeting.
Papa, if anybody sees you today, you know that he was an old soldier.
Yes. Thank you.
An old soldier will never die. Papa, you're a diamond.
Yes.
Hi.
I can change my movement.
Yes, diamond.
Push and go inside.
Yes, do it well. Oh, Papa, you're very sweet now. Yes, do it well. Oh, Papa.
There's garlic and soup.
Okay.
You can boil water and, make yourself
I'm
garlic.
hungry. No problem.
Yeah, if you like, you finish it.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Papa, you're not diamond.
How are you?
Fine.
How's the
Thank you. I'm going to our town's meeting. Yes.
Ibu. Oginuka.
What is this?
Wash and wear.
What do you mean by wash and wear?
Sit here now.
Ibu, you are a foolish man. Who told you that wash and wear means you will wash your clothes and wear it immediately without letting it dry?
Papa, forget your time don't pass now. Our time is this. Yes, this is our own time.
Who told you that?
My son said I should wear it.
No. What it means that you should wash your clothes and wear it without ironing it. That will be the meaning of wash and wear. Who is that your son?
More.
More. Is that one a human being or a ghost? More. Please don't turn back and go and dress. Can't you see how people are looking and laughing at you?
boy has damaged my movement now. Let me just go.